Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Nick, and this is the place to be for everything landscape photography. What are we talking about today? A lot of questions I've been receiving lately, and one has a common theme. What is the best lens for landscape photography? I'm going to tell you guys. Let's go! Whoosh. All right, guys. Just going to be a quick hitter today. Before I jump into this video, if you can go down below, hit that subscribe button, just smash it, hit it, throw a hockey puck at it. Canada. While you're down there, hit that like, share, and bell notification. It'll let you know when I upload my next video. Just, click that. Do that, Also, follow me on social media. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all that good stuff. Links are in the description below. Let's get into this. So what is the best lenses for landscape photography? Everyone has their own opinion. However, I think all of us landscape photographers can share some common ground and agree that a good wide angle lens and a zoom lens is probably the two most essential lenses that you do need in your bag. For instance, 18 to 55 or 16 to 80 which I'm recording on right now. It's a good enough wide enough angle lens that you can get a good wide field of view. For I guess full framed cameras, a 24 to 70 should work for you. Now for the zoom lens, this is a 50 to 140 for a Fuji setup. Equivalent to that is about a 70 to 200. This is fantastic for picking off mountain peaks, interesting scenery off in a distance, like maybe there's a waterfall or maybe there's frost or snow on tree caps. That's where the 24 to 70, or in my case, the 50 to 140 will come in handy. You can just start picking those off and all that good stuff. So the moral of this video, two lenses that you absolutely need when you start off with landscape photography: a good wide angle lens and a good zoom lens. So guys, if you got anything from this video, sure appreciate it if you would go down there, hit that subscribe button, just smash it, hit it, throw a hockey puck at it. Also, while you're down there, hit that like, share, and bell notification. It'll let you know when I upload my next video. What? Yeah. Also, follow me on social media. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all that good stuff. Links are in the description below. All right. I'm going to leave it at that. Stay safe. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.